But if we are going to accept tool watches as a thing, what I think we would say to define them are they are watches that tend to be designed to deliver key attributes that allow them to be capable of assisting a wearer with a task for professional applications. So a little bit different compared to what we typically expect from Seiko dive watches, where that lug to lug is going to be compact for that diameter. In this case, where it's pretty true to size, 200 meters of water resistance. This is an ISO compliant dive watch in the process, and factoring in that these have to still look the part. The whole concept of this video is it still needs to be able to be workable in the day-to-day. There probably isn't a dive watch that is more true to that than the Submariner, in being a watch that can look great in these professional environments, but also in an environment where maybe you have to dress up to some degree. It could simply be your one and only watch. So now we look at the air categories. Also, the lug-to-lug dimension on these watches is going to be more compact compared to the Mark 18, which had very long lugs. This still does have that longer silhouette, but is going to be 49 millimeters lug-to-lug, wearing a bit more true to size. 10.8 millimeters in thickness, but the other upgrade for these watches is going to be the movement on the inside. This is the 32111 from IWC, 5 days of power reserve, so 120 hours of power reserve for these watches. A couple other things that I like is if you go for the bracelet option, very comfortable, and then the on-the-fly adjustment in that bracelet and that clasp is very slick. You have a button within the logo on the back side of that clasp, which is very easy, and one of the most nifty ways to integrate that function into a bracelet I've seen across the industry.